Hey everyone, my name is Gaylen Washington and I serve as one of the elders here at Mosaic Church. And I'm so grateful to be able to participate in this fall fast with you. As we continue the theme of healing, I'm going to speak for a moment about relational healing. And I want to share a quick story with you. One day I was having a fairly intense conversation with a very, very good friend of mine. And in the middle of the conversation, he stopped and he said, Gaylen, I care more about being in right relationship with you than winning this argument. He said, I care more about getting it right with you than being right. And in that moment, I just paused and I thought about that, and that had an indelible impact on me. It made me think, what would life be like if more saints, more Christians, more saints of the Most High God would choose to be in right relationship with one another than to win an argument? I thought about that as it relates to all my key relationships, my wife, my children, my co-workers, working with John and Morgan and the pastors and the staff members here at this church. What would it look like if we could focus on and prioritize unity and understanding of each other above and beyond winning something? I really do think that that's a major key to relational healing and health. And there's a scripture that I feel like highlights this really well. It's Psalm 133, and it reads, "How good and pleasant it is when God's people live together in unity. It's like precious oil poured on the head, running down on the beard, running down on Aaron's beard, down on the collar of his robe. It's as if the dew of Hermon were falling on Mount Zion. For there the Lord has bestowed his blessing, even life evermore." I love that scripture so much because it highlights what can happen when saints prioritize, really fight for, being in right relationship with each other. It's like the dew, the oil that covers every nook and cranny, that actually provides protection and grace in areas that we didn't even know we needed it. And I would just love for all of us as part of this devotional to take some time to really meditate and think about that personally. What would that look like if I made that choice? I really hope that blesses you as it's blessed me. Thank you.